How to create a new Amazon account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can make a new Amazon account on your mobile device. So first of all, go to your Play Store or App Store, and then in the search bar, simply type in Amazon. Now, you'll have to basically download the Amazon shopping app, and once it's downloaded, simply open it. Now, once you've opened the Amazon app, your interface will look somewhat like this, where in order to make a new Amazon account, simply tap on the second option, which is new to Amazon.com, create an account. After that, you'll have to enter your first name and your last name. After that, enter your mobile number or your email address. You can choose any one of those. After that, you'll have to create a new password for your Amazon account, and once you've done that, simply tap on continue. So let's do that real quick. Now, once you've entered all of those, simply tap on verify mobile number, since we have entered our mobile number. But if you've entered your email address, it will show up verify email address. So tap on this yellow icon. And now it will send a verification code to either your phone number or your email address, depending upon the one you've entered. And now enter the OTP. Now, once you've entered the OTP, simply tap on create your Amazon account. And there you have it. You have successfully created a new Amazon account on your mobile device. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.